Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the pan fried tofu with cheese in vegetarian sauce. This vegetarian dish is not only easy to make but also delicious to eat. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Vegetarian oyster sauce is available in Asian grocery stores. Here is the mirin, cooking wine, soy sauce, sugar, water, stir together. Medium firm tofu should be drained from water and wiped dry. Slice into half horizontally. Place 2 slices of cheddar cheese on one half. Place a few pieces of cilantro as well. Place the other half tofu on top. Heat up pan and add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Pan fry one side at medium heat for 2 minutes. Flip the tofu over and pan fry the other side for 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Pan fry the side as well. And all 4 sides briefly. Pour sauce in. Turn up heat and cook sauce and tofu for about 2 minutes until sauce thickens. Scoop tofu out. See, the cheese is already melted inside. Pour sauce on. Garnish with a small piece of cilantro. Let me cut up the tofu and see. Fragrant with the melted cheese and sauce. Let me try the bite. Delicious. The easy pan-fried tofu with cheese in vegetarian sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!